Good morning students. In this class we can discuss the electrochemistry 2. The unit is electrochemistry 2. In electrochemistry 2, first we can discuss the introduction. Electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell means electrical energy can be converted into chemical energy. Okay, electrical energy can be converted into chemical energy. Here, chemical energy can be converted into electrical energy. Okay, electric field means both anode and cathodes are present. Two electrodes are present. Okay, in electrolytic cell, two electrodes are dipped in same container. Okay, that means two electrodes are dipped in same container having an electrolyte. That means solution. Okay, here one is cathode, anode, and another one is cathode. Okay, here two electrodes are dipped in same container having an electrolyte. In this electrochemical cell, the two electrodes are dipped in different containers, okay, having different electrolyte. For example, this is ZnSO4, this is copper sulfate solution. Okay. Next, the third point is in electrochemical cell, anode is positive and cathode is negatively charged. Okay, in electrochemical cell, anode is negative and cathode is positive. Okay, next, in this electrolytic cell, redox reactions are non-spontaneous. In this electrolytic cell, redox reactions are non-spontaneous. Redox reactions means, what is redox reactions? Redox reactions means both oxidation and reduction takes place in the reaction. Okay, what is redox reaction? Redox reaction means both oxidation and reduction takes place in reaction. Okay, in electrochemical cell, redox reactions are spontaneous. Redox reactions are spontaneous. Okay, these are the differences between electrolytic cell and electrochemical cell. Okay, in this case, electrical energy is converted into chemical energy. In this cell, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Two electrodes are dipped in same container having same electrolyte. Two electrodes are dipped in different containers having different electrolytes. Okay, here anode is positive and cathode is negative. Here anode is negative and cathode is positive. Here redox reactions are non-spontaneous. In this case, redox reactions are spontaneous. Okay. The next one is galvanic cell. Galvanic cell. Okay. Here I can take two containers. Here I can take two containers having two electrolytes. This is electrochemical cell. This is electrochemical cell. Okay, two electrodes are dipped in different containers having different electrolytes. This is ZnSO4 solution. Okay. This is copper sulfate solution. CuSO4. Okay, in this container zinc rod is placed in it. This is zinc rod, metal rod, zinc rod. Okay, this acts as an anode. Here anode is negative. In electrochemical cell, anode is negative. Okay, here this is copper sulfate solution. So copper rod is dipped in it. This is cathode. Okay, this is anode and this is cathode. This is copper rod. This is zinc rod. Okay, then these are the two off cells. Okay, this is one off cell, this is another off cell. These two off cells are connected to the salt bridge. These are the salt bridge. Salt bridge is the U-shaped glass tube. It is filled with saturated KCl or KNO3 solution. This is salt bridge. This is filled with KCl or KNO3 solution. Okay. Now, galvanic cell means this is the electrochemical cell. Here, anode is negative and cathode is positive charge. Okay. And then, two vessels are taken. In one vessel, zinc sulfate is taken and zinc rod is dipped in it. And another vessel, copper sulfate is taken and copper rod is dipped in it. Okay, these two off cells are connected to the salt bridge. Salt bridge is a U-shaped glass tube. It is filled with KCl or KNO3 solution. Then it is used for the salt bridge. Okay, the salt bridge is used for the prevention of mixing of two solutions. It prevents the mixing of two solutions, but it allows the ions. Here Cu plus 2 ion and SO4 2 minus ions are present. Here Zn plus 2 ion, SO4 2 minus ions are present, and it allows the ions or move one from to another. Okay, mixing of two solutions is prevented. Salt bridge. Okay, salt bridge is used for the prevention of mixing of two solutions, but it allows the ions from one off cell to another off cell. Then, okay, these two electrodes are connected to the wire. Okay, these two electrodes are, this is zinc rod and this is copper rod. This is anode, cathode. These two electrodes are connected to the wire. Okay, then we can apply the current. The current is passed through the electrodes. Then the zinc electrode remove the electrons. Zinc electrodes removes the electrons. That means Zn is oxidized. Okay, that means the zinc can be oxidized to Zn plus 2 ions. That means to form Zn plus 2 ion plus 2 electrons can be removed. Okay, this is anodic off cell. At cathodic off cell, the removal of 2 electrons is passed to the copper electrode. Then these Cu plus 2 ions can pick up these 2 electrons. Then it is reduced. Oxidation means here this is oxidation. Okay. Oxidation means loss of electrons. Next, these copper rod is gain these 2 electrons, then it is reduced. Reduction means gain of electrons. That means Cu plus 2 gain these 2 electrons to form Cu, copper. Okay, here reduction takes place. Okay, the cell reaction is two electrons can cancel to form Zn plus Cu plus 2 will give rise to Zn plus 2 plus Cu. This is the cell reaction. This is called cell reaction and redox reaction also. This is the redox reactions. Redox reactions means both oxidation and reduction takes place. Oxidation means Zn can be oxidized. Reduction means copper can be reduced. Oxidation means loss of electrons. Reduction means gain of electrons. Okay? Oxidation and reduction can take place. So this is called redox reaction. Okay? Next, representation. Representation of electrochemical cell. Okay, this is the one off cell, this is the another off cell. Okay, the off cell consists of electrode. Okay, is contact with its ions. Okay, this electrode is contact with these ZnSO4 ions. Okay, the off cell consists of an electrode is contact with its ions. Okay, it is represented by vertical line. That means in anodic off cell, okay, first the off cell consists of a zinc rod. The off cell consists of an electrode is contact with its ions. Ions means Zn plus 2. Okay, it is represented by vertical line. This is called off cell. Vertical line means off cell. Okay, in anodic off cell, the metal electrode is written first. Okay, and then its ions. That is oxidation takes place. And cathodic off cell, the ions can return first, that is Cu plus 2, and then metal electrode. Metal electrode is copper. Okay, this is the representation of off cells. Then the representation of whole cell, that is electrochemical cell. The representation of electrochemical cell is first anodic off cell is written left hand side. Okay, and then cathodic off cell is written right hand side. Here left hand side off cell is zinc. That means Zn off cell Zn plus 2. It is written left hand side, and cathodic off cell is written right hand side. Cathodic off cell means Cu plus 2 and Cu. Okay, these two off cells are connected to the salt bridge. This is the salt bridge. It is indicated with double vertical lines. Okay, double vertical lines indicated with salt bridge. This single vertical line is indicated with half cell. Okay, this is the representation of electrochemical cell or galvanic cell. This is the representation of electrochemical cell. First we can write anodic off cell left hand side and cathodic off cell right hand side. These two are connected to the salt bridge. So we can indicate it with double arrow, double vertical lines. Okay, this is the salt bridge. This is the half cells. Okay, students, thank you.